Hey there, Kitchen Mestros. Welcome back to Gadget Hub. Today we're diving into the future with the top 5 smart ovens of 2024. It's time to bake, broil, and roast your way to culinary greatness with gadgets that make your kitchen smarter than your phone. Be sure to check the links in the description below, like this video, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for future updates. Let's get started. Number 1, let's dive into the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. Featuring impressive versatility and precision cooking, thanks to its Element IQ system. With 6 independent quartz elements and smart algorithms, it delivers consistent results across 13 cooking functions. Those who love experimenting in the kitchen will appreciate the super convection setting that speeds up cooking by 30%. It's perfect for busy families and culinary adventurers alike. It fits comfortably on your countertop without hogging space. The intuitive controls and interior light enhance convenience, ideal for quick meals or detailed baking. With 1800 watts of power and a colorful LCD display with preheat notification, you're in control of every culinary creation. Plus, Breville offers access to 1000 plus recipes, making it a smart choice for aspiring chefs. However, note that its toasting can be a bit slow and temperature settings run hot. All things considered, this oven is fantastic for those looking to replace multiple kitchen gadgets with one capable appliance, providing efficiency for home cooks and small families. Number 2, let's dive into the versatility of this Koosori 11-in-1 air fryer toaster oven combo. At a generous 26 quick heat capacity, it's large enough for a 12-inch pizza or a 5-pound chicken. The rapid heating is ensured by 6 heat elements paired with a 2-speed fan, ideal for quick meals. Notably, the smart connectivity sets it apart. Compatible with the Synca, Alexa, and Google Assistant for seamless control. The convenience of a removable crumb tray and a non-stick food tray can be overstated, making cleaning somewhat easier. Included accessories such as the oven rack and fry basket enhance its versatility. However, I've noticed a few areas needing improvement. Lack of a dedicated power button and a quiet timer alarm could be inconvenient for busy kitchens. Control knob sensitivity is another slight concern. Overall, if you need a multifunctional appliance for quick family meals and crisp reheating, this Koosori combo is your kitchen best friend. Number 3, the New Wave Bravo Air Fryer Toaster Smart Oven combines versatility and power in one neat package. With its remarkable 12-in-1 functionality, it covers everything from grilling to air, frying, toasting, making it ideal for adventurous cooks. Its 30 kuti extra roll capacity is perfect for large families or those who love hosting dinner parties, ensuring you can cook a feast in one go. The oven's ability to function between 50 degrees to 500 degrees Fahrenheit with 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments offers precision that's sure to impress any home chef. I am particularly impressed with the linear thermal technology, allowing precise temperature maintenance, which means no more fluctuating heats for your delicate dishes. This model also includes helpful user-friendly features like on-the-fly adjustments and an integrated digital temperature probe. You can seamlessly adjust time and temperature mid-cooking, which is a great feature if you are an experimental cook. Moreover, the oven comes with 112 pet seeds, including 12 cooking functions and 100 pre-programmed recipes. Great for users who appreciate convenience and versatility. However, keep in mind the controls might not be intuitive for everyone at first, and the shared button for convection, fan speed, and warm could be cumbersome. There is also a chance of rack slipping when loaded with heavy items, which is something to be cautious of. Overall, this smart oven is a fantastic choice for culinary enthusiasts who seek variety and precision in a user-friendly interface. Ideal for busy households that need quick, varied meals without compromising on quality. Number 4, the Breville Bolvef 450 XR is your compact cooking companion, perfect for tight counters, offering 8 versatile functions to tackle everything from toast to pizza. This mini powerhouse boasts an impressive 1800 watts and uses the Element IQ system with 4 smart quartz elements to cook quickly and evenly. I love the quick preheat, taking the guesswork out of meal prep with an intuitive, air-seated interface that provides easy access to all functions. A special mention to the 8-bit more button, indispensable when that last-minute crisp is needed, making it a favorite for precision results. Compact in size, it sports a 0.45 Q city interior, enough for 4 slices of toast or an 11 pizza, satisfying most everyday needs, though perhaps limited for larger dishes. Construction quality feels top-notch, backed by a year in warranty, and Breville renowned customer service makes this an enticing choice. There are a few quirks. The function knob might test your patience, and some digital issues can occur, though personally, these are overshadowed by its strengths. I recommend this mini smart oven to anyone who values efficiency and versatility in a compact space. Ideal for small kitchens or as a secondary oven for those who love smart cooking gadgets. Number 5. The Neway Bravo XL Pro isn't just an oven, it's a multitasking marvel. The super convection technology ensures fast, crispy results, perfect for those seeking efficiency in the kitchen. With 112 easy-cook pets and 12 unique cooking functions, it's remarkably versatile, accommodating everything from air frying to roasting. The Smart Probe takes the guesswork out of meat cooking, offering restaurant-quality results at home. An intuitive digital interface makes operation a breeze, while the adjustable top and bottom heating revolutionize precision cooking. Although I noted some issues with the fan noise and door mechanism, they don't overshadow the breadth of functionality offered. Ideal for families and cooking enthusiasts who want a reliable, all-in-one appliance, I highly recommend the Neway Bravo XL Pro for diverse kitchen needs. And there you have it, folks. Our top 5 smart ovens of 2024, ready to transform your cooking game. Whether you are a culinary wizard or just love tech, these ovens will make your kitchen the place to be. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more gadget goodness.